Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So tonight we're going to do a just a quick overview. I was so excited to get this installed that I totally forgot to do a box opening, kind of go over all the install instructions and stuff. So unfortunately, it is what it is, guys. So today we're going to take a look at the Champion. It's electronics. It's their LED shop light. You pick it up at your local Walmart. It's motion sensing. It's a 4 foot long light. You got different bright settings here. Let's see. It's got a 5 foot cord. Obviously, it actually is made out of metal. And then here's your different bright or settings there if you pull the cord. It's also linkable, so you can get multiple lights. Now, I don't know if that means one pull cord will turn them all on, or if that just strictly means that you get power from each one because it's got a power outlet built in there. Sorry about the glare there. So there's a built-in power outlet as well to put these all together. So put it garages, workbenches, utility rooms, attic, basement. So it is powered by a AC cord, so it's not battery operated or anything like that. Just quick details on the box here. You can surface mount it, you can suspend it, and that's what all comes in there. You get your S hooks as well as your chains, some zip ties to, again, I'm not completely done yet, but you can zip tie your cable up. And then I ended up going with the mounting by suspension here. So I went with this option, and we'll kind of go over everything I did for that. So again, I could take everything apart. It's that simple, but we're not going to do that. So we're just going to show you what I did. So hang tight. Alright, real simple. I used a stud finder actually from my office, and just a measuring tape there. I measured the distance between the two holes that are up on the housing there to hang the S hook that's built into the chain. And I used the stud finder to find the rafter. If you kind of look up in the attic there, see that rafter? That's exactly what it's attached to. So I did the stud finder, find that rafter. I did drill a small pilot hole to kind of help me out with screwing in the S hooks there, and I'm going to zoom in for you. So that gives you a better look there. So I did a little pilot hole for each one of the S hooks there. Let that focus. The light's so bright there, it's not letting me focus. But anyway, you get the gist on that one. So you might even see some of my black marks, like right there. I was measuring the 33 inches, but that was the distance between the two lights. And then once I did the stud finder, that's how I was able to find that location there. So just a pilot hole, and then by hand, I installed the S hook, and I got it pretty as far as I could. I could have probably put a screwdriver on there, and but I didn't. I just did it by hand. So, and then equal out the chains. So I did each side has equal amount of links. There's your extra power outlet again to connect another one if I wanted to. My particular, this is a combo garage and laundry room. So really not much room. I probably could put one more right there if I really wanted to. I don't really see a need. It is super bright. So lights up my little workbench there. Oh, and it's motion sensing. So I wanted to test that because not sure how well it works. Oh, there you go. So it is motion sensing. So there you go. You got a taste of that. You can just pull the pull cord to strictly on the three modes, high, medium, low, off, on the switch. And again, I wish I had thought about it. I was so excited to put this in. There is a switch to turn it on strictly by pull string. So I have it on motion sensing. That's what I plan on just keeping it with. If I'm going to be out here, I'd rather just be on, and hopefully it catches me working on the workbench and stuff like that. So there you go, guys. Real simple. Really, really simple install. It took me less than 10 minutes. Matter of fact, it took me longer to find all the stuff to do it. the drill bit for the pilot hole. Again, it didn't call for that. But again, here is the Champion Electronics LED shop light. It's also motion sensing. It's about $40. So, alrighty. Hope you guys like, subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one. Just wanted to do a real quick little add-on to that the last video, or to my video here of the opening. If any of you guys have a ATV or side-by-side and use the battery tender, you can, let's zoom in, you can actually plug that into that outlet, built-in outlet, and it will work. And I just tested it, and it will work even with the motion sensor if the light's off. So there you go. That actually, I had it connected over here. I have an outlet on the side, and now it's pretty much straight up and down. It's out of the way. It's not in the floor here to trip people up. So there you go, guys. If you're wondering if that outlet will work as just an extra outlet power source for you, it's almost like an extension cord there. So hope that helps.